little bit of an update. Yeah, on the 51 project, just wanted to throw some stuff out that I did. So most recent, added this alternator. So it has its own little bracket. That was part of the vintage auto stuff, a box of stuff. So next that we're gonna get done here, I need to clean it up. I need to clean that engine up, but then I'm gonna add, before I put this one in, I'm doing a Pertronics over here. So got to pull a distributor and add the Pertronics, put a new coil in, and add new plug wires. But yeah, the most recent was this. Still have to get a different belt. That belt right there doesn't fit. Not quite tall enough now. And that was more of a struggle than I thought it should be. But there's literally just 3 bolts over there. Anyway, that's where I'm at. So yeah, just a quick update. Thanks for watching.